This is one product photo, and these are 5 different viral video ads, all created from that one image, using URL to video. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it. This is the image resource feature. You only need to upload a product photo, and it will automatically generate a complete image, including text and marketing highlights. You can choose from the preset templates or upload your own prompts. You just generated a single image. You only need to add one more image, depending on your needs. Next, let's take a look at the image set feature. 6 images have now been generated. Let's take a look at the results. Next, we're going to look at one of the most important features, ad replication. I'll select a video ad that looks promising from the ad library, and then replicate it.
POV, your AC just became portable. What if your AC could fit in a backpack? Meet the Shark Flex Breeze Hydro Go, a misting fan that drops your personal temp, cordless and portable up to 12 hours. Skip the $400 power bill.
Next, let's take a look at URL to video's new agent feature, which makes it faster and easier to generate videos and images in bulk.